sparrow who's traveled far and cries for rest. Night eyes to the oak tree, I won't share my branches with no sparrow's nest, and my blanket of leaves won't warm her cold breast.